Are you ever on an app or website and wonder how it's made? Well, that might be a good sign that you should probably be a developer, right? So think about it. You hit that little heart icon on the cat picture that was posted, and somehow some magical fairies, deliver that heart to somebody else. Everything on the internet that we know today has to have been created by somebody, right? And most of those people are developers. So what developers do are help get our human ideas into the rock that we stuffed lightning into. So developers help create these applications that we know and love today. Now this is a Salesforce video, so we want to make sure to talk about the Blue Cloud. Salesforce is a CRM at heart and is used by businesses to manage their customers, but Salesforce as a platform is no different from Facebook, Twitter, Wordle, Squarespace, Flappy Birds, all of those things. It was built by developers, and just because it was built by developers doesn't mean that you need to be a developer to use it. The actual users of Salesforce shouldn't be expected to write code to close an opportunity or something like that. Just think about this. Imagine if every time you wanted to post a picture on Instagram, you needed to write a short program to get it done. I'm sure their user base would not be as high as it is today. I'm looking at you, MySpace. To appeal to the masses, applications need to be built in a way for those that do not understand code can use it. Salesforce is no different from this. The end users of Salesforce, the sales, service, and marketing folks that use the platform, do a lot of stuff, right? They can enter records, send emails, view reports, and do a lot more things. This is really powerful stuff, but someone needs to set all of that up for the end users. And that's where admins and developers come into play. Admins use the configuration capabilities that Salesforce has to enable that end user. Oh, you need a field that can capture a new sales metric? Well, here it is. Let me create that field for you and then add it to a report so that you can actually see it. Now, where admins fall short is when the platform doesn't have a specific configuration or a scenario built out for whatever that user requirement is. There's a lot of scenarios built out in Salesforce, but Mark Benioff and Parker Harris couldn't think of them all, right? This is where it's a developer's time to shine. Developers are able to get under the hood and build out things that are not possible with declarative or configuration methods in Salesforce. Salesforce was built in such a way that the platform can be extended by developers to accomplish scenarios that were never really thought of. To get this enhanced functionality built, the Salesforce platform and programmers need to be on the same page. This is where programming languages come into play. Languages are a way for both parties to speak the same language. So just like a normal language, there's an understanding between the two parties, the computer and the developer, to communicate. On the Salesforce platform, we use a language called Apex, which is very similar to Java. If you've used Java in the past, once we are speaking the same language, that's where the magic can happen. You can extend the Salesforce platform, building code and things that point and click you couldn't really imagine because of limitations that it have. Think of that app idea that you have. Everybody has that one app idea that they'd love to create, and it does everything that you need it to, and it doesn't exist already. Writing code is probably going to be the way that you bring that to life. And Salesforce is the same way when you write code. Out of the box can only cover so much on the platform. All of this is used to help companies be more efficient, help users get their jobs done faster, and make things simpler overall for whatever the tasks that you're getting done. And that's really the job of a developer. It's problem solving, it's figuring out how can we make things better for whoever's using our platform. thank you all so much for watching. I'm getting such great feedback from these commentary styles of videos. If you have an app idea that you've wanted to bring to life, definitely leave a comment down below. I'm not going to steal the idea, but I may be able to help you figure out what you need to do to get started, right? That's the whole thing about this channel. It's learning Salesforce, but also learning development and being able to accomplish whatever goals that you want. So leave a link in the comment down below and we'll get a conversation going on whatever that idea is. Make sure to like and subscribe if these videos are interesting to you. I'm going to be releasing a lot more coming up in the coming, weeks, months, whenever you're actually watching this. And my name's Walters954, and remember, I believe in you.